The image on the right shows a light microscope. Complete the sentences by writing the name of the correct microscope part in each blank.
Let's dive deeper into the world of microscopes. We're going to identify some key parts, so put on your science caps. First, we have the stage. This is the platform where you place the slide holding your specimen. Next, we have the eyepiece lens. This is the part you look through to see the magnified image. Now we have the mirror. This reflects light up towards the specimen so you can see it better. Some microscopes might have a built-in light instead. This is the body tube. It connects the eyepiece lens to the objective lens, which is closer to the specimen. And finally, we have the base. This is the sturdy bottom of the microscope that supports all the other parts. Great job! You've successfully identified the key parts of a light microscope. Now you're ready to explore the amazing microscopic world.